swept up into the air while trying to escape a powerful hurricane. The YouTube video shows the Russian man desperately clinging to a flimsy canopy in an attempt to resist the power of the hurricane. But when it hits, the structure, with the man still holding on for dear life, is tossed 30 feet through the air and onto concrete stairs. Torrential rain and gale force winds gripped southern Russia last week. The 47-second video, filmed in Sevastopol, also shows another man, who is at the scene but escapes injury, rush to help the victim. It looks as though the victim is injured, but, with some help, he walks away. Russian media reported that more than 800 homes were flooded during the hurricane, leaving thousands without power.